Hey everyone, quick but important update for me about using AI tools like ChatGPT. It recently came out in the news that if you use share feature in ChatGPT, the link that you create makes your conversation public and potentially searchable on Google. That means anything you share in the conversation, questions, examples, even personal details could be visible to anyone online. Now, OpenAI has always warned us that using the share feature means anyone with access to the link would be able to see that information. Great, but that's a very different thing from that information being indexed online by search engines like Google. So what's really going on here? This is happening because when you use the share feature in ChatGPT, it generates a public web page hosted by OpenAI. That page can be crawled by search engines like Google unless OpenAI specifically restricts it from being indexed. Currently, OpenAI doesn't apply a non-index tag by default, which means search engines may publicly list that information. So even though it feels like you're only sending a link to one person, in practice, you're publishing a page to the open internet. Here's what you need to do to protect your privacy. Don't share anything sensitive in a ChatGPT conversation if you plan to use the share link. If you've already shared a link, here's what you're gonna do. Open ChatGPT in your browser. So on a computer, click your profile picture, and then settings. Next, click data controls and then tap manage next to where it says shared links. Then you need to go through and click all the tiny garbage cans next to each of those shared links. Bottom line, treat anything you share with that feature as public. If you wouldn't want it out on the web, don't share it. Reach out if you need help or have any questions. I'm here to support you.